Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP memory stick not reading. So there will be a couple fixes that I'm going to show you. So the first one is the check is your adapter or SIM source SD card is good and working. So I have this one, original one, 2 gigabytes of SanDisk, and basically what you'll need to do is just, as you can see, like this, just clean that with the ear. So you can do like this and see if that works, plug it back in and check if it works. If that doesn't work, what you can do is basically take your SD card and basically take a scotch tape or just electrical tape, as you can see, like this, and I'm just going to cut a little bit. So let's cut it like this. I will have something like this and basically tape right here. So basically when PSP gets hot and it doesn't read the SD card properly, it will basically push down a little bit. So you can do 1 or maybe 2 layers just for the force down. As you can see, let's try it again and put another one. And basically now what we'll need to do is just put the SD card back again and see if that works. So basically I will put it back again. As you can see now, it will be a little bit rigid to put it, so that means it's good. As you can see now, I put it back again, and if I just turn it on, it should read my SD card. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.